about the elephant in the room, or your design. The elephant, the dog, and the mouse. I know this isn't some Aesop's fable, but size really does matter. It matters the most in design. So we can have large, small, medium, medium, large, small, or we can have small, large, medium. It doesn't matter, just as long as we have all three sizes. You can design like a boss, be your own boss. Here's some examples. Can you spot the elephant, the dog, and the mouse? Here's the answer. And you can do this with text also. Can you spot the fake? Good design adds value. Follow us here at Independent Spirit. Our next video is on aligning elements for good chi and good design.